Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating the backup so you avoid restoring corrupted data. Verify the checksum or hash. Once done, pick the exact restore point by date and version because restoring the wrong snapshot wastes time. Next, connect or mount the backup target, USB, NAS, or cloud volume, and ensure permissions and network access are active. Do this now so the system can read the files. Make sure to note any encryption keys or passwords required before proceeding to the restore steps. You now perform the restore, choosing file level or full image depending on scope. File restores are faster, images preserve system state. Once chosen, prefer a dry run or simulation if available to detect conflicts without changing data. Start the actual restore. Accept overwrite prompts only after confirming versions. While it runs, watch logs and resource metrics to catch errors or bottlenecks. Pause if errors multiply. If restoring a system disk, ensure bootloader and partition alignment are handled to avoid boot failures. You finish by validating integrity. Compare checksums and open representative files to confirm readability. Once satisfied, re-enable services and run application tests to ensure functionality. This prevents hidden failures. Then, tidy up mounts, remove temporary credentials, and document what was restored and why. If something goes wrong, start with permissions, missing drivers, or corrupted boot records, run repair utilities and reapply drivers. Finally, schedule a follow-up backup to capture any post-restore changes and prevent repeat recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.